How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're taking a look at a 68 Camaro RS SS done in torch red. Gorgeous car. This thing's had a complete custom build. It's got all the electric hideaways, chin spoiler. I really like the SS hoods with the ice cube trays in them. You don't see a lot of them out there. This car's real straight, slick, flat down the sides. Got a nice set of billet specialty wheels, billet wheels. All the tail lights, rear bumpers, all been replaced. Got the rear deck spoiler. The rear windows shows some wear to it. Now under the hood we've got a 6.2 LS. It's got power steering, your power disc brakes. It's got vintage AC and heat. All nicely detailed. Very nice installation. It's got the 6L80 overdrive trans. Motor and trans is out of a 2012 Camaro. It's got all new interior in it. All the jams are real nice. Got the wood wheel, 3 spokes, Dakota classic instrumentation in it. It's got all up-to-date wiring. Headliner's real nice, tight. All the seats been redone. Carpet. It's got your front and rear seat belts. All inside the trunk looks real nice. All the weather stripping, everything's new in the car. It's got a retrofit radio, AM FM stereo system with the iPod capability. Again, it's a 6.2 LS. All the grill, everything is excellent in the car. It's just a good looking car right there. This thing is a blast to drive. Backup lights, everything works. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can visit us at 8180 South State Road, Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. The car's got a perfect stance. Have a great day, folks.